Welcome to the Foodology by Univar Solutions Solution Center. I'm Chef Mike Haracz, and today we are celebrating National S'more Day. We're providing you a recipe for some s'more cups that you can make at home, but we're making a few adjustments. We're actually making it fully vegan, utilizing some of our ingredients. Our marshmallows are made with pectin. Our chocolate is actually a dairy-free chocolate from Cargill. So let's get in the kitchen and make a big old mess. Add 1 cup of crumbled graham crackers to the bowl. Then add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of table salt. Give it a quick stir. Next, we're gonna grease our muffin pan. And now we're evenly gonna distribute our graham cracker mixture into the cups. Next, we're gonna press down the graham crackers to form little cups. We're gonna bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 4 minutes until they're nice and brown. While the cups are still hot, we're gonna evenly incorporate our chocolate chips into each cup. Now we're gonna put these back in the oven for about 2 or 3 more minutes until the chocolate starts melting. Now finally, while these are still hot, we're gonna place some full-size marshmallows right on the top. Give it a little push. I've also squeezed these a little flatter so that they cover the top a little nicer. And finally, we're gonna bake these for about 3 or 4 more minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Be very careful, these can burn very easily, so keep an eye on them. If you want them a little extra brown, you can use a broiler or you could take a torch to them to give them a little extra color. Let these sit in the pan for about 15 minutes and then you could remove them, eat them while they're warm, or let them sit until room temperature. Just like that, our s'more cup is done. So hope you have a wonderful National S'mores Day. I'm Chef Mike Haracz here at the Foodology by Univar Solutions Solution Center. And now I'm gonna stuff my face with a little s'more cup.